Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2006 Mazda 5, and we will be replacing the drive belt. So there were like two drive belt for this. One is the long one, which is this. I think this is the alternator belt, and the other one below, which is the AC belt. So in order to remove those, we gotta do it underneath, so we gotta remove this tire. So let's jack up the car. Alright, so tire is off. So again, there were like two belts for this car. So this is your AC belt. Then the one in here is your, let's say, alternator belt. So in order to get this right here, the alternator belt, you gotta remove this too. And the only way to do this is just cut it. Otherwise you have to remove the whole thing. Remove the AC belt, I mean the AC compressor, in order to remove this belt. As you can see the design, there's no adjustment, no nothing. So we'll cut it and then we'll just replace it with a new one. So I'm just gonna cut it. There you go. Because this one, I mean the alternator belt is behind with this. So again and again, before you can remove this, you gotta remove this first. But anyway, this is already old one. Look at this, already cracked on it. So it need to be changed too. So now let's remove this. We're just gonna, I think this is number 14. This is the tensioner. So we're just gonna move this forward and remove this alternator belt. By the way, so it's not, don't push it forward, push it backwards. So as you can see, when you do this, the belt loosen. Look at. Okay, I'll try to do it. Sorry, I'm by myself. I don't have any cameraman, so do like this and just remove the belt. There you go. Simple as that. Oopsie. Gonna have it in here. There you go. So this is the belt. First one. And as you can see, this already scratched on the surface. So let's put the new one. Alright, so this is the new one. AC Delco. I think that's the part number. Let's compare it. Yep, same length. How about the groove? Let's count it. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah. So now let's put it on. Very simple. So if you want to see the diagram, just Google it. Diagram for the belt. So just type in, 06 Mazda 5 drive belt diagram. As you can see in here, it's diagram right there. Very simple. Okay, let's put it on. So we can, oh boy, we can start over here. Let's insert it in here, then catch it on the top. Alright, now we can, so we'll put this on the inner part. We can double check it later. Alright, so do this first. So it's already connected on the harmonic balancer, and then your AC compressor, and then what we're gonna do now is that you can now do like this, and then alright, almost there. There you go. Oopsie. As you can see, it's on. It's on. See that alternator, just push that belt in. Just push it in. Oh. Sorry if I couldn't show you again. I'm by myself. Oh boy. Oh, see. Go. It's in. Nice. It's already in. Here. I couldn't see it, but it's already in. It's not that hard to do. That's it. Okay, so just double checking. So that's your tensioner pulley going there. I think that's the water pump, and on that side that's your alternator pulley, and then on the middle, the inner part, is your harmonic balancer. So now let's put in the AC compressor belt, which is, there's a trick on doing it. We got the AC belt, AC compressor belt. So we're using Continental this time because we don't have available AC Delco belt. So the trick in doing this is first put this one over here like that, and then use a zip tie. Zip tie this. Let me put it on, hold on. This over here, just a zip tie. Right, so we put 2 zip tie, so this is number 19 by the way. You see it? So 2 zip tie. It's connected to the AC compressor. Now we're just gonna turn this. Number 19. Okay, perfect. That's a perfect view. Alright. Let's twist this. Alright, nice. Nice. I cannot. I need space. Hold on. If you could see it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Almost there. Alright, so I just need some leverage. I guess I can do this now. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's on. So I use this one. See it? See that? It's not yet fully on, but see that? There you go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, there you go. Come on. Shit. It's fully seated. Not yet, not quite. Nice. Perfect. Alright, so let's just double check it. Everything is centered. That's your AC compressor belt. Now let's start the car and let's see how it goes. Start the car. Nice. Smooth. Very smooth. Perfect. Brand new drive belt for your AC compressor belt and your alternator belt. So there you go, guys. That's how you replace those drive belt for 2006 Mazda 5. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today and see you in my next video. Bye bye.